All right, so when you return, you will want to start from your home page here. So just go ahead and click on home if you're not seeing what I'm seeing, and it should take you back to this page. There may be a dashboard or a screen that shows up here. If it doesn't show up, you can click on Get Started to basically see the same thing. So I clicked on Get Started. It says Welcome to Bluehost. It says we've already installed WordPress in your account. That's the nice thing about this hosting package that we just set up, is that it went ahead and installed WordPress and got it basically set up for us. So now we have the option to either set up our new WordPress installation or move WordPress from an existing location. So let's click on Set Up WordPress. Now, Manage WP is an option that comes as part of your hosting account with Bluehost that allows you to manage your WordPress installation fairly easily. It also allows you to manage multiple WordPress installations easier should you build out more WordPress websites in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my email address. And I'm going to put in a password. And then click Continue. So what this is doing is it's configuring my account here. So it says choose your username and your password. This is going to be for our WordPress. So whatever you want to use to log into your website every time is what you'll want to enter here. So I'm just going to enter my first and last name, and then I'm going to put a password in place and click Complete Setup. All right, so now I have some URLs and some information that's going to be important to me. This is my website address. Obviously, this is kind of a given. You knew when you bought that domain name that that's what your website address was going to be. However, to log into the back end of WordPress so that you can write blogs and post content, you're going to need this URL here. So I recommend saving this somewhere. You can easily add this as a bookmark to your browser so it's easy for you to access, or you can save it as a quick link on your desktop or something like that. Keep in mind that your username is that username that we just created, and your password is the password that we also just created. So I already have, well, I'll just go ahead and close out of it so we can open it with this link. I'll go ahead and click this link. I'm going to open it in a new tab just to make sure. And this is our WordPress backend. Now, if I was to go to the other link, which is this link here, it's going to show us the front end of WordPress. So this is our website, which is very plain and basic. This course isn't about customizing WordPress, but I am going to give you a few tips on that. So when we log into the back end, we're going to want to enter in our username and the password. Click on Remember Me so that your browser will remember you, and you can even click Save Password if the browser that you're using supports that. And now we're in the back end of WordPress. So we're ready to go in and start blogging, or pretty much start putting content in and setting up our website. I have another course that I will link to at the end of this one so that you can go and learn about that process. So at this point, WordPress is installed and set up and ready to go. There aren't really any other steps left to do other than to style your website so that it looks good. We're going to do that in the next video.